Okay, back on board the boat. So, no luck in catching that. That is the tie down for the distributor for the boat. Looked all over, couldn't find one. So, decided to make one. Went to Home Depot and I got a 3-inch number 10 32 fine thread screw, stainless steel, and bent it with my channel locks and a good pair of pliers, and took my grinder and ground off the head, and it looks very similar to that. That's the correct one. So I'm here for a little bit. I'm gonna clean up the gas lines and the regulators on the engines, and install this new distributor tie down, and fire the engines and see what we get. All right, and then tomorrow I think we'll take her out for a test ride. Still going to do a tune-up. I gotta order new caps and rotors and stuff like that, and I'm still gonna order the fuel pumps. I still haven't done that yet, but that'll get done. Probably going to do a compression test on the engine tomorrow, just to double check everything, but I think that's gonna fix it. Stay tuned. Okay, that's what we're gonna be pulling out for the most part, that regulator, which just doesn't seem to work. We're gonna keep that fuel pump. That's the new one I bought, the low pressure one. On this side, that's the old fuel pump. Puts out 6 pounds. Here's the bed regulator, gauge. And here's the Mr. Gasket regulator and gauge. So we're gonna replace that with that. We're gonna do the same thing over here. And then place that bolt, put the other bolt on the other side. We'll see what we get. Okay, so now we have the Mr. Gasket with the, you reuse the oil-filled gauges on that side. Same thing over here. So this one really only still puts out 1.5, 2 pounds because of the fuel pump. This one I can adjust. I got it at 3 pounds. There's our distributor. So as you can tell from my shirt, it's hot out. And so just finished up. Got the distributor cap situation fixed and adjusted, and put the old Mr. Gasket regulators on, and I had to actually use the old Mr. Gasket gauges, as the new Summit gauges just would not work. So that's done. So basically, port engine, fine, runs great. Starboard engine now, the only issue we have is a very loud tap on the right bank. So tomorrow we're going to do a compression test. I think we might even pull the valve cover and see what we can see. And hopefully it just needs a valve lashed. It's not a bent valve stem or a stuck valve or anything like that. We'll keep going until we fix the problem.